Using a solid-state soft starter will typically reduce the monthly billable demand as metered by a revenue meter. Soft starters gradually increase the voltage and current applied to the motor, reducing the inrush current surge. By limiting the inrush current, soft starters reduce the momentary peak demand during motor startup, which is captured by the revenue meter. The reduced inrush current leads to a lower recorded demand, resulting in potential savings on demand charges. Let's explore different meter mechanisms and how they are impacted. Firstly, we have electromechanical meters. Electromechanical meters measure both active power in kilowatt hours and reactive power in kilovolt ampere reactive hours. Solid-state soft starters primarily affect the reactive power component during motor startup, resulting in a reduction in kilovolt ampere reactive hours consumption. However, since demand is typically calculated based on active power in kilowatts, the impact on billable demand is generally moderate. Secondly, we have electronic meters. Electronic meters are more sophisticated and can measure various parameters, including harmonics and power factor. Soft starters can introduce harmonics into the power system, which can affect the accuracy of electronic meters. In some cases, the meter may overestimate the demand due to the presence of harmonics. Thirdly, we have time-of-use meters. Time-of-use meters track demand during different time intervals such as peak hours and off-peak hours. Using a solid-state soft starter can significantly reduce demand during peak hours, resulting in low charges during those periods. Overall, using a solid-state soft starter can reduce monthly billable demand as metered by a revenue meter. The specific impact may vary depending on the type of meter and the characteristics of the motor being started. Electronic meters and time-of-use meters may have more complex interactions with soft starters, so it is recommended to consult with the utility or a qualified electrician to determine the potential impact in specific cases.